Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today I will be doing a hair color, and I'm gonna use Garnier Color Naturals. I will be using 9.1 Natural Extra Light Ash Blonde. So inside there is Nourishing Color Cream and Developer Cream, which I already put in a bowl and it's ready to mix. I will be needing Vaseline to put in my hairlines in case the color will come to my skin. It's easy to wipe it off. I will just mix this one very well, and since I have a longer hair with below shoulder length, I use 2 packs of this coloring. So I guess it's ready. I'll just put Vaseline here on my hairline.
Hindi, ganito. Nalagyan niya.
Ayan. And double purpose. It will also act as a moisturizer on my skin. And my lips are dry, so let's put also. I think I'm ready. So another tip is, before you use any hair products, you always have to do the skin test. Okay? So you will know if you have an allergy from the product. But for me, I've been using this for years, like every 6 months. I think my last coloring was 6 months ago. If you notice, my hair color is already up to here, so I guess it's more than 6 months already. And I don't use any other brands. I only use Garnier because it's proven and tested for my hair. It's shiny, soft, and the color doesn't fade right away. It lasts longer, so highly recommended siya. Time starts now. So new year, new look, new life. Hi guys, now that I finished rinsing my hair, I'm gonna blow it dry now, and we're gonna see the results. We'll see what was the color outcome. So by the way, I didn't use anything on my hair. I just rinse it with pure water and put on the conditioner that was inside the hair coloring set. It is the final touch. I love the color. Tomorrow I will show you how it looks like under the natural light, because it's evening here and we can't see the natural color. So I think it's gonna be lighter if it's under the natural light. So I'll show you tomorrow. Guys, I love it. I love the color of my hair. Hi guys, good morning. Happy New Year. So last night I did the hair coloring, DIY hair coloring using Garnier Naturals. And today, since last night the light is different, so today I want to show you how my hair looks like under natural light. So here it goes. Ayan. And then I just put some hair oil for shiny and silky finish. And my hair is naturally straight. So I love the result, and Garnier is safe to use and easy. Yeah. I hope you like it too, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and feel free to share. Thank you so much guys. Have a beautiful year 2022. Bye.